Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are giving into some powerful Excel function that will help you automate your data analysis. We will look at how to use a combination of left, find, mid, length, if error and even regex to split a single column of product description into a organized data.
I hope this video has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. If you or your company need helpful with data analysis, automation, or any Excel related issues, we will offer paid consultation service. You can find our contact information in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.